Hello and welcome to our channel Technical Pro, the best of technology right here. Here in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a 3D design post using Canva website. First of all, we will create a post and I'm going to create a Facebook post here. You can make a customized size according to your requirements. Now I'm going to add a text, simple text, and I have just wrote one and yeah, make the text size according to the canvas, and I'm going to change my font to white and background to black. This looks pretty good. I'm going to download this image as a PNG and with a transparent background. Okay, now I have created another page and I'm going to change the background to white. I will search for the photo of a running girl. I will flip it horizontal and I will remove the background. Just make sure if you are using Canva Pro, you can remove the background. Otherwise, you will have to use another tool to remove the background. I'm going to crop the image and I'm going to resize it according to the canvas. Now I'm going to import my image 1 and I will change the background color to any other color. Now I will crop the image 1 and resize it according to my canvas. That's pretty good. Yes. Now the girl image, I will make a duplicate copy, and the image which is at the background, I will crop that image. Sorry, the image which is at the front, I will crop that image. And now I will select all the elements and resize it. So you see, with these simple steps, you can create a 3D design. This is as simple as that. Now I'm going to add a background of a garden, like she's running or jogging in the garden. So I will select the image from here. Yeah, I think that looks good. I will reduce the transparency and it's kind of blue, so I will select the color black. Yes, now I think it's pretty good. You can do as much as you like. So this is pretty simple actually. Now I will download my image. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel Technical Pro. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.